Okay, this is another quick video with Bob, but this time it's with adjectives, so we're describing adjectives again. Adjectives, just so many things to describe. It's a hard subject to just tame. That's why I have this love-hate relationships with adjectives because adjectives are helpful, but adjectives can be a nightmare if they're not used properly, okay? But super helpful, like really, really helpful. So pa. Alright, now pa with adjectives can mimic magka and nagka in a way, right? But the main difference is that even though they may share similarities with magka and nagka, just how pa shares similarities with pagka and verbs, pa with adjectives differs in how it deals with people, or it has to do with somebody doing that adjective, or somebody is involved with the adjective, okay? And this is what you're going to see with the example sentence, right? It has someone make something an adjective, right? Or it has someone be or pretend to be the adjective. And you'll see that through the examples. Again, we'll show. And something become the adjective. So as we mentioned with the magka and nagka, as in something becoming more and more of that adjective, it's the same here with the pa, okay? And you'll see it, but it has to have a human or a person involved in it. And you'll see the first sentence goes like this. Ipaitom ang akong sinina, right? Ipaitom ang akong sinina. You already know what I does. You already know that now we have pa with itom, right? So someone's demanding someone to do this itom now. Ipa, right? Pa, itom. So pa itom, if I take out that I get pa itom. Pa itom ang akong sinina, which means blacken or darken my shirt. Ipa itom ang akong sinina. Uh-oh. So now we have something that's a little more command form or some more imperative form. Ipa itom ang akong sinina. Someone's demanding someone to blacken my shirt, okay? The next sentence we have is patambokon taka sa fiesta, okay? I'm gonna fatten you up at the party, okay? I'm gonna make you fat and chubby at the party. Patambok, okay, patambok. Patambok. Tambok means to be fat, but pa, again, it just makes somebody into that adjective, right? Or you can look at it as this adjective, someone or something is becoming more and more of this adjective. But look at tambok, it's conjugated with on at the end, and we already know what on signifies, right? We already know what on means. So pa, if we add this pa, we get now a circumfix patambokon, okay? Patambokon taka sa fiesta. Okay, I'm gonna fatten you up at the party. Ayaw pag gutom-gutom diha, ningkaon ka na, right? Ayaw ayaw pag gutom-gutom diha, ningkaon ka na. Okay, here somebody's pretending to be hungry, right? Don't be pretending to be hungry. You just ate. So, and the last one is similar too. Nagpasakit-sakit lang ka, uy. So, you're just pretending to be sick. Nagpasakit-sakit. So again, here, pasakit-sakit, pretending to be. Someone is just, you're just acting out as a sick person. Yeah, right. Nag, we already know that it's a completed aspect. Nagpa, sakit-sakit. So now we know that this was being done in the completed aspect. Oh, you're just being sick. Psh, shut up, right? Again, it has to involve someone, people. That's what makes it different from magka and nagka. Again, pa has similarities with magka and nagka, but that involves people. So it can still be in that agitate state, that agitative state, but you just have to have people involved now. So hopefully that makes sense with pa.